This potential divider question proved to be harder than it looks. Less than 1 in 4 students got this right in the exam. It's a great example of being patient and trusting your process with potential divider calculations. The question says that the thermistor has 4.5 volts across it and its resistance decreases by 20%. The most common distractor was option A, because students assumed that a 20% decrease in resistance translates to a 20% decrease in the voltage. So when you do 20% decrease of 4.5 volts, you get 3.6 volts. Seems too good to be true, and it was. So the trick is to lay out the potential divider ratio method. In the question, you're told that the thermistor has 4.5 volts across it, so we're just going to write that in. And hopefully from some basic circuit rules, you understand that the resistor must also have 4.5 volts across it. Because remember, you need the total voltages here to add up to the power supply voltage. Now this is a 1-to-1 ratio of the voltages. And in potential divider circuits, that's the equivalent ratio of the resistances. So if the thermistor's resistance decreases by 20%, it means this part decreases by 20%. And when you do a 20% decrease of 1, you get 0.8. The other resistance is unchanged, so it remains as 1. And that's it, the hard part is done. The rest of the solution is just to apply the ratio method of 0.8 to 1 with the total voltage of 9 volts. So let's go ahead and just do that. So this part, we'll just find out what one part represents. To get what the 0.8 is, we just multiply by 0.8, and you end up getting 4 volts as the answer. So the answer is B. Now let's just say you didn't have time for all that and you fancy your chances of guessing the correct answer. Now here's how you can eliminate 2 of the answers without doing any calculations. We learned that the ratio of the resistances give the ratio of the voltages. So if the resistance of the thermistor goes down, we know that the answer will have to be less than 4.5 volts. And that gets rid of C and D. If you don't want to leave it to guessing, then follow for more physics content. And if you're serious about mastering physics, message me physics to find out how I can help.